What if a desktop workstation's raw power could fit in the palm of your hand? Geekom thinks it has the answer. Meet the A9 Mega, a compact mini PC that promises workstation-grade performance in a body smaller than a shoebox, and it just might be the Mac Studio's fiercest rival yet. Crafted from precision CNC-machined aluminum, the A9 Mega doesn't just look premium, it feels engineered for professionals. Sleek, durable, and compact, it's proof that high-performance computing no longer needs to take up half your desk. At its heart lies AMD's Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 APU, packing up to 16 cores and 32 threads. Pair that with 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, and you've got desktop-class multitasking inside a machine barely larger than a book. But the real star is AI acceleration. With AMD's XDNA 2 NPU, this little box can deliver up to 126 TOPS of performance. Translation? Complex AI models like Stable Diffusion or LLaMA run locally, fast, and without relying on the cloud. Connectivity is future-ready. The A9 Mega comes loaded with dual USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, dual 2.5 gigabit LAN, and Wi-Fi 7 with Bluetooth 5.4. Add up to 8 terabytes of SSD storage, and you've got room for massive creative projects, game libraries, or entire research datasets. And performance stays consistent thanks to a cooling system built to dissipate 120 watts of thermal load. That means even under heavy workloads, whether rendering 3D scenes or training AI models, the A9 Mega keeps its cool. Out of the box, the A9 Mega ships with Windows 11 Pro, but Linux users are also covered. Starting at $1899, it lands significantly below Apple's Mac Studio and HP's Z2 Mini, while delivering similar, if not superior, horsepower in a far smaller package. Compact, powerful, and surprisingly affordable, the Geekom A9 Mega isn't just another mini PC. It's a bold statement that size no longer dictates performance. Set to appear at IFA and launching later this year, the A9 Mega could be the workstation disruptor we've been waiting for. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.